like things are finally coming around. I know we have a long, long way to go, and where we'll end up, we don't know. But we won't let nothing hold us back. We're getting ourselves together, we're pushing up our act, yeah. You've ever been held down before, I know you refuse to be held down anymore. Ain't no stopping us now, we're on the move. Got the groove, ain't no stopping us now, we're on the groove.
I'm sort of looking for a cue. I'm not sure if you're supposed to go this way. Do you know what way they exit? Is it through the house? Okay. Have a wonderful time.